Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can avoid one of the biggest mistakes some people make when they use Outlook. Sometimes when you want to reply to email, you could mistakenly respond to all when your intention was to respond to only one person. There is a way you can avoid this incident by setting your Outlook in such a way that it by default responds to only one person. But if you really intend to send a reply to all, then you would choose the appropriate uh, option. To do this is very simple. What you can do is in your Outlook, click on the settings icon. You get this box under mail. Click on compose and reply. It takes you to this screen. Scroll down right in the middle. You would find where it says reply or reply all. By default, it is set to reply all. But what we want to do is to set it to reply. So that if you really intend to reply to all, then you choose this second option. Once you choose this, you go on and save your settings. This is how you can set it up in order to avoid sending email or responding to all when you intend to respond to only one person. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like and share? Thank you.